Bitcoin descending towards $27,000. Investors eye a job data. Ethereum has become more centralized since the merge and Shanghai upgrades, JP Morgan. Canadian regulatory body clarifies the stablecoin rules for exchanges and issuers. $7 billion laundered with crypto assets. 27% of US female crypto investors spend profits on children's education. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Shikha Singh. Leading virtual digital assets or VDA markets are on the decline once again as investor focus shifts to important job data from the US later in the day. Bitcoin traded near the $27,500 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.1% at 35,500 points. Interestingly, analysts have attributed the recent fluctuation in the price to the overall stability of traditional financial markets to the slow growth rate of the US job market. Meanwhile, Gary Wang, the former chief technology officer and co-founder of FTX, told a jury that he, Bankman-Fried, and fellow former executives Caroline Ellison and Nishad Singh committed multiple forms of fraud. Near-term price movement will depend on the Securities Exchange Commission decision on spot BTC ETFs. Industry experts believe that the SEC will approve a Bitcoin spot ETF in 3 to 6 months. In uninteresting news, approval of a Bitcoin ETF could attract $150 to $200 billion in investments over 3 years, potentially doubling or tripling the current amount managed through Bitcoin products. According to a recent report from JP Morgan, Ethereum network has grown more centralized and the total staking yield has decreased as a result of the increase in Ether staking following the merge and Shanghai upgrades. Going forward, Whale Alert, a leading crypto tracking portal, has detected a significant movement of XRP tokens with 20 million XRP valued at $10.45 million being withdrawn from Upbit, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The tokens were then dispersed into a dozen smaller tranches, each containing an average of 500,000 XRP. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.08 trillion mark, increasing 0.4% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 5% to $25.3 billion. Moving on, crypto tracker Whale Alert reported a significant transfer of 4.5 trillion Shiba Inu meme coins from Bitvavo, Amsterdam, to an anonymous blockchain address. Well, the transfer worth $33 million was registered by Whale Alert and has sparked a community of shock and surprise. The transfer highlights the importance of SHIB as an investment tool. US stock futures rose as traders awaited the US jobs report scheduled later in the day. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 27 points or 0.1%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures also rose 0.1% each. Bitcoin was trading at $27,720, up by 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.2%, trading at $1,635. Solana Sol was up by 2% and was trading at $23.5. Cardano's 88 token was up by 2% to trade at $0.26. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $10.6, higher by 4%. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.2% at $0.061. However, BNB was down by 0.1% to trade at $212. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.2% to trade at $0.55. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 0.2%, and Polkadot was down by 0.1% to trade at $4.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. The Ethereum network has grown more centralized and the total staking yield has decreased as a result of the increase in ETH staking after the merge and Shanghai upgrades, according to a research report published by JP Morgan. In addition, Lido has been increasing the number of node operators to reduce the amount of staked Ether that may be controlled by a single operator, the Wall Street Bank stated. According to the survey, the rise in staking has also lessened the appeal of Ether from yield perspective, especially in the light of the rising yields in conventional financial assets. Prior to the Shanghai update, the overall staking yield was 7.3%. It is now under 5.5%. The Canadian Securities Administrators, with an emphasis on stablecoins, have offered guidelines to exchanges and cryptocurrency issuers on their interim approach to what they refer to as value-referenced crypto assets. On October 5th, the Umbrella Group of Canada's provincial and territorial securities regulators published a statement in which it stated that subject to certain criteria, it might permit trading of some cryptocurrencies that refer to the value of a single fiat currency. Stablecoins may constitute securities and/or derivatives which Canadian cryptocurrency exchanges are not allowed to trade, according to the CSA, which retreated this position in February. However, if issuers keep a sufficient reserve of assets with a licensed custodian and stablecoin offering, crypto exchanges make certain information related to governance, operations, and reserve of assets publicly available. The CSA might permit trading in those assets. A record $7 billion were laundered through cross-chain crime, according to the cryptocurrency analysis company Elliptic. This strategy includes fast exchanging cryptocurrencies between multiple tokens or blockchains to hide their illicit origin. This technique, also known as chain or asset bypassing, is quickly taking over the main way to launder cryptocurrency funds. According to Elliptic's most recent State of Cross-Chain Crime report, a variety of cybercrimes such as fraud and cryptocurrency theft are increasingly using cross-chain crime as their preferred means of money laundering. Criminal penalties continue to target conventional methods of money laundering at the same time as this. Elliptic's first State of Cross-Chain Crime report revealed $4.1 billion in illicit funds laundered through DEXs, cross-chain bridges, and coin exchange services. The latest figure of $7 billion indicates a faster increase than expected, with the estimated increase to $6.5 billion by 2023 and $10.5 billion by 2025. BitJet reports that 27% of the US female investors invest in cryptocurrency to cover their children's education expenses. Meanwhile, 19% of Chinese investors have dedicated at least $100,000 to cryptocurrency investments. Education remains a primary objective for female investors in the US. However, female investors in South Korea and Japan are using crypto to improve their personal financial situations, with 49% and 41% of users investing respectively, compared to 45% and 30% for males respectively. A growing number of female investors in South Korea and Japan are reportedly hoping for better living situations through crypto, while 17% of male investors are dabbling in it to improve family finances. Chinese investors, with nearly 40% holding a minimum amount, are also investing in crypto, with 19% placing a minimum of $100,000 and 18% at least $50,000. Furthermore, Bean Crypto's report in April 2022 revealed that female cryptocurrency adoption was surpassing that of males, with female involvement increasing by 172% over a 12-month period compared to 80% for men. This highlights the growing importance of female involvement in cryptocurrency. Now let's have a look at the buzzing coins of the day. First on the list, we have a new meme coin, Memenator. The global meme cryptocurrency space has seen a significant growth in the past 2 years, with altcoins like DogeCoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Floki driving the market to a $20 billion ecosystem. Meme coins accounted for over $36 billion, a total crypto market capitalization at its peak. However, Memenator aims to eradicate weak memes and restore the ecosystem's belief in such tokens. The pre-sale for MMTR launched on September 27th, marking the crypto project's first encounter with the crypto community and marking the end of funny tokens disguised as meme-inspired projects. Within days, Memenator has attracted $590,000 from investors, a debut that suggests this AI-powered project offers value that the community has failed to garner from many of the OG meme replicas. The project seeks to give its community access to real value via Memenator game and will incorporate NFTs, taking rewards, token burns to unlock further gains for MMTR holders. With such utility prospects built into the roadmap, it's likely the pre-sale could be just the beginning of an astounding community initiative. Next on the list, we have Sui. The Sui Foundation has announced a $51.3 million ecosystem fund to support its DeFi ecosystem and on-chain central limit order book-based platform, DeepBlock. The foundation will claim 117 million SUI tokens worth $51.3 million from external market makers and direct them towards SUI's ecosystem. The proof-of-stake blockchain, which uses a modified version of the Move programming language, has a capitalization of 10 billion tokens. A share of SUI's total supply will be at the liquid at the mainnet launch, with remaining tokens available over the years or distributed as the stake rewards. A spokesperson for the SUI Foundation told that SUI provides advantages such as unparalleled low latency and high throughput through a SUI's object-centric approach, horizontal scalability, and capacity for efficient on-chain storage. The press release claimed that the network clocked a record 65.8 million transactions in a single day, surpassing the performance of every other blockchain in history. Currently, SUI holds the 35th position among top blockchains in terms of total deposits in DeFi protocols, with assets worth $38.2 million according to DeFi Llama data. SUI was trading at $0.43, up 0.18% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $378 million. Next on the list, we have XRP. Whale Alert, a leading crypto tracking portal, has detected a significant movement of XRP tokens, with 20 million XRP valued at $10.45 million being withdrawn from Upbit, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The tokens were then dispersed into a dozen of smaller tranches, each containing an average of 500,000 XRP, and sent to various undisclosed wallets. The transaction remains shrouded in mystery. The substantial transfer from Upbit occurred against the backdrop of fascinating XRP price action. The XRP token found firm support at the 200-day moving average, a formidable level of stability. Over the past month, XRP has shown impressive growth, surging by nearly 11%. However, the token's behavior has been far from explosive, even in the light of recent news regarding the SEC's unsuccessful appeal in its case against Ripple. XRP was trading at $0.5, down 0.46% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $27 billion. Moving on, crypto tracker Whale Alert reported a significant transfer of 4.5 trillion Shiba Inu meme coins from Bitavo, Amsterdam, to an anonymous blockchain address. This move suggests that despite SHIB's recent 19th place on CoinMarketCap, large investors are still interested in the meme coin as an investment tool. The transfer, worth $33 million, was registered by Whale Alert and has sparked a community of shock and surprise. The transfer highlights the importance of SHIB as an investment tool. According to a 0x Nerd bot on the X app, over the past 2 weeks, newly established wallets have acquired more than 18 billion SHIB. Aside from that, the bot reported that one fresh whale had bought and withdrawn 292.53 billion SHIB, worth $2.13 million from the Coinbase exchange in the past 3 weeks. Shiba Inu was trading down 0.98% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $4.2 billion. Last on the list, we have a new meme coin again, Shiba Mimu. Shiba Mimu is an AI-driven project aiming to revolutionize the meme coin world by eliminating the reliance of human marketing efforts. Unlike other leading meme tokens like DogeCoin and Shiba Inu, Shiba Mimu leverages new technology to create a marketing powerhouse that doesn't rely on human effort. The project also enhances community value through functionality like staking and interaction with decentralized applications. The Shiba Mimu project aims to create a self-sustaining marketing machine using AI algorithms, focusing on meme-inspired worlds. The AI dashboard will offer direct interaction between meme geniuses and Shiba Mimu holders, with users earning extra SHMU through feedback and suggestions. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Shikha Singh, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.